MTRC has supported the Robotics Camp of STEM education for middle and high school students since 2018, with a total of more than 170 student participants over the years. More importantly, this is an event of workforce training and development because the participants of this program will join the workforce in only a few years. It is important that we motivate and inspire high school students to enter the exciting workforce in manufacturing and STEM fields.
So as we know, 2020 was a pivotal year for all of us. We introspected, we looked inward, and we said, what can we do about the education? MTRC robotics program had been always offered in person, and we never thought we could do anything otherwise. But this was an opportunity for us, and we said, we will make it work. We are going to offer this programming. We are going to offer it virtually. We decided to ship out the kits to the students in advance. We engaged them over a period of 3 weeks, learning about engineering design process, mechanical engineering, practical electronics, microcontroller programming, and in the end putting a robot together that they would be able to demo to not only to the teaching team, but to their parents, their family members, and everyone.
This is the first year that we extended the participation of students throughout the entire state of New York. It is an important step for MTRC as a regional center of New York MEP to partner with all other 9 regions of New York MEP and Fuse Hub to attract students to take part in the robotics camp. We hope to continue the robotics learning camp for the years to come.
So in business world, we call it a pivot, and it was a hugely successful pivot for us. What happened next was even more surprising because we sent out these kits to the students, but we still had butterflies in our tummy because we did not know how the kids would respond to it. But they surprised us. They surprised us with their engagement, with their tenacity. So we decided that we would give them a challenge that potentially could solve a problem for someone who was suffering from the pandemic. Whether it was an autonomous robot that could go and clean the surfaces, whether it was a robot that would prompt you to wash your hands, or whether it was a social robot that could entertain a child or an older person who was confined to stay at home. In the end, we felt very satisfied because we felt that we fulfilled that mandate that was given to us, which was to engage the students, to educate them, and maybe let them have a little bit of fun also in the process. So our plan for the future is to continue to offer this programming. We want to see more and more students in this state benefiting from this program. And we would exhort anyone who can make a difference to the education and engagement of these children to do something about it. Whether it is by sponsoring a student who goes to a school but cannot afford to go somewhere or do something about it, you can help.
Finally, we will sponsor the robotics camp again in summer 2022 with more exciting development from the team here at MTRC. I want to ask students to stay tuned and check out announcement in 2022. I look forward to another exciting year.